Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about Beats Flex earphones that are not connecting to a device. I'll be going over some easy fixes in this simplistic tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet. There are 5 fixes that I want to talk to you about, so let's get right into these 5 easy fixes, okay? Number 1, the first thing that you should do is to make sure that Bluetooth is on with regards to your device. Sorry about that. So essentially, on your device, your phone, your iPad, your tablet, whatever it is, okay, whatever kind of device you're using for these earphones, you want to make sure that Bluetooth has been turned on. If you can't connect to the Beats Flex earphones and your Bluetooth is off, that's going to be the problem. So that's the first thing to check. If your Bluetooth is on, you can move on to fix number 2. Okay, obviously if it's not on, turn it on, and that should work. But if your Bluetooth is on, you can move on to the second solution. And the second solution is to make sure that the Beats have been connected to that device before. So essentially, your Beats will automatically connect to a device that they've connected to before. So if I've connected these to my tablet and I turn on the Beats and my tablet is on and Bluetooth is on, it should automatically connect. If they're not connecting, okay, and they have been connected before, then there's a problem. But if they're not connecting to the device and they haven't been connecting, let's try that again. If they're not connecting to the device and they have not been connected to that specific device before, that's why they're not connecting. So you have to move on to step number 3, which is to connect them for the first time. So to connect them to the let's try that one again as well. So I'm going to slow down. So to connect them to your device for the first time, which is step number 3, you have to put them in discovery mode. So to put them in discovery mode is very simple. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to turn them on. If you see that right there, that is discovery mode. So you can connect to them from a new device, okay? But if it's a solid white light, then that means they're already connected to a different device. And if you want to connect them to the device of your choosing, then you want to press and hold down the power button for a few seconds. When you press and hold down the power button for a few seconds, you'll get a flashing light like this, and they'll be in discovery mode. And then you can go ahead and you can connect them. And that should work. If that doesn't work, you're going to move on to the 4th solution. And the 4th solution is to disconnect them from the device that you're experiencing difficulty with and reconnect them again. So you have 2 options for this. The first option is to just disconnect and reconnect, like a simple Bluetooth off, Bluetooth on. And the second option, which is a little bit more robust, but it can be more effective, is to completely forget this Bluetooth device. So you're going to go into your Bluetooth settings on your device, and you're going to go to the Beats Flex option, assuming you've connected them before, and you're going to forget the Beats Flex Bluetooth connectivity. Then you're going to reconnect them using the discovery mode that I just showed you. And hopefully that fixes the problem. So just sort of forget the Bluetooth connection and reconnect it once again. Sort of start fresh. And then if that doesn't work, you're going to move on to the 5th step, the 5th solution, which is like a complete refresh, and that is to factory reset the earphones. So when you factory reset the earphones, you're essentially resetting them back to their factory settings as if they're fresh out of the box. Really easy to do. I did a separate video on this, but you're going to press and hold down the power button as well as the volume down button for 15 seconds together. So power and volume down, hold them down together for 15 seconds. So once again, press the power button down and the volume down button down. As redundant as that sounds, we're making rhymes all the times, except we're kind of using the same word. Anyways, back to business over here. I'm getting off track. Press and hold down the power button and the volume down button together simultaneously at the same time, which means the same thing basically. For 15 seconds, you're going to see a red flashing light, and that means that you factory reset them. At that point, you can try and connect them to the device again, and hopefully that works for you. That's it. Those are 5 simple solutions. I really hope that you've enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.